नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, वागीश्वरी के ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैं हूं दिनेश शर्मा और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। लेट्स वी स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 डिस्प्ले ऑन योर स्क्रीन। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइट द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस इफ इट इज एन एपी। द गिवन द सीरीज इज -5, -1, 3 and 7. First of all we discuss about it is AP or not. The question is asking check this one is AP. If it is AP, then find the term of first term and the common difference. Okay, so we get what process we check this one is AP or not. We finding the common difference of each consecutive number. We discussed about the previous video. We finding the common difference of two consecutive, each two consecutives are same. If it is not same, then this is not an AP. So we check about the first consecutive -1, -5. We finding the minus of two terms, then first common difference we can say D1, second we can say D2, and next is D3. D1, D2 and D3 is always remain same, so we can say this is an AP. D1 we finding -1 and minus of the first. This is a formula finding second term minus first term. So this is the formula based minus. So -1 minus and minus multiply is find plus. You can got plus. -1 plus 5 is answer is 4. Positive 4 because the bigger number is positive, so answer is 4. Next we can check D2. 3 minus according to formula and the next number is -1. Okay, 3 minus and minus got plus. 3 plus 1 is 4. Both of them are same. Next we check the last term D3. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. All the common difference between consecutive terms is same, then this is an AP. This is an AP because this common difference is same. So according to question we find the first term. First term of AP, we know that A denoted by A. First term of AP is this -5 and the common difference we denoted D is the common difference is same of all of 3 is 4. So the answer of this question is this is an AP. The first term of AP is -5 and the common difference is 4. Then we go to the next question. Question number 2. It is on your screen. Find the next three term of given AP. AP is given, the series is 1.2 minus 1.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 minus 7.2, so we finding next three term. This is the first term, this one is second term, this one is third term, this one is fourth term. Next three term is A5, A6 and A7 we finding. Okay, first term of AP, this is AP. According to question given, this is an AP. So the first term is A is -1.2. We finding D. D is finding by subtract second to 1. minus 3.2 minus 1.2. Solution of this 3.2 minus plus 1.2. The solution of this is 2 minus 2.0. The difference between each conjugative is minus 2.0. The next term is A5. It means we add 2 in the next term. We finding the A5. A5 term is finding by adding 7.2 plus 2.0. 7.2 minus plus minus 2.0 minus plus, the term is 9.2. The A5 term is 9.2. The next term is A6. We finding A5 is 9.2 and 9.2 plus the common difference. We finding the next term 2.0. 9.2 minus 2.0. Finding the next term 11.2. A6 term is 11.2. Next is A7 term minus 11.2 plus the common difference 2.0. We can finding the answer is minus 11.2 minus 2.0. The answer is 13.2. This is the way of finding the next terms. We also find the second method. The second method is we finding the A5 term. A5, it means the term is the last term formula. Last term formula is this: A plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. The term of this AP is A5, means n is 5. We finding the term of 5, fifth term. A is minus 1.2. We finding the fifth term. Then we put the 5 and D is minus 2.0. Next 1.2 plus 5 minus 1 4 multiply by minus 2.0. Next is 1.2, we multiply minus plus minus. 4 multiplied by 2 is obtained 8. Minus plus 8 plus 1.2, 9.2. We got this 9.2. Next we find A6 we find by this formula, so on. Okay, this is the second method of this finding the next term according to the question. Next question on your screen, find the 10th term of the AP. 10th term, finding 10th term. The AP is given 2, 7, 12, so on. Means finding 10th term, it means given in the question nth is 10. So we finding the 10th term, we put the formula of last term. Last term formula is Tn, or we can say L is A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. We find the A and D in according to the series, where A is first term, A is 2, and the common difference is D. D is the common difference 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, we got 5. We put in the question, we finding the 10th term, then T10. A is 2 plus 10th term is 10 minus 1. Multiply by D, D is 5. 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 5. We can solve, multiply 9 into 5, 45. 45 plus 2 is 47. Its 10th term is 47. Next question. Which term of AP is 310. Which term फाइंड करना है. AP गिवन है 50 minus 35 minus 20 minus 5 and so on. Is last term is 310. Means we find the number of terms, we find n number of terms, it is obtained 310 in the series. Then according to question, the A is minus 50 and the D is minus 35 minus 50. So minus 35 minus minus plus 50. The answer of this is 5 and 1, 15. The common difference is 15. The last term of AP is given, L is given is 3110. It is the last term. Finding the term 3110. Which position we got 310. Then we finding the term nth term. According the formula of last term formula is L is A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. L is given, then we put the value of L is 310, A is minus 50, n is not giving, then n we will not substitute any value of n, D is 50. We solve the equation, the 50 is going in this side, it is minus, then it is got 50. Next in n minus 1 multiply by 50. This is 360, n minus 1 multiply by 50. The 15 is transfer in this side, the multiply sign it is got change, divide, n minus 1. We can solve this equation. 15 to the 36, 24. Next we find n, the minus 1 transfer in this side, minus is got change in plus, n is 25 term. We got this answer, n is 25, means 25 term is 310. This series is 25, this term is 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 25 term is 310. It means 25th term got 310. Next question. Determine the AP whose 5th term is 29 and 8th term is 38. We finding the AP. We find the AP. 5th term is giving 29 and 8th term is 38. We finding the AP. First one is the AP. Series of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. So we required A and D. We finding A and D using this. The 5th term, it means 5th term is A plus, using this formula we can find A 5th. A 5th term is A plus 5 minus, put the value of n is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4D. It means the 5th term is A plus 4D. Next is A term. A term is A plus 8 minus 1 means 7, 7D. Put the value, it is A 5th term. 5th term is 29. So it is equal to 29 and this is equal to 38. By two equations we find A and D using elimination methods, substitution method and cross multiplication method. Many methods to solve this problem. We solve by elimination method because it is easy to solve it. So a plus 4d, सेकेंड इक्वेशन पुट कर देते हैं 38, a plus 4d 29. We substitute equation 2 minus equation 1. Minus sign change, minus plus change in minus. A and A is cutting. 7 minus 4 is 3d. 38 minus 29 is 9. D is finding by 9 divided by 3 is 3. D is got 3. We put the value of D in any equation, then finding A. A plus 4D equal to 29. A plus 4D is 3. A plus 12 equal to 29. A equal to 29 minus 12 is 7 and 1, 17. So we find A and D by the using both the two equations. Then AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. 17 is first term, so AP is starting by 17. Second term is 17 plus D. D is 3. 17 plus 3 means 20. Next one is plus. Common difference is always same in AP. So next term is 23. Next one is 26. So on. So this one is the finding the AP by using elimination method. By last term formula. This formula is last term formula. Using last term formula, we can find two equations. Then we use the elimination method to finding A and D, and we obtained the AP by AP formula. So today we discuss about the 5 questions of the AP. Next video we considered hard level questions. So stay with us, stay safe at home. Thank you.